In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can create yourself a fast DroidVPN account so that you can be able to use it to access a secure connection using DroidVPN. To access a secure connection, a fast connection, and a stable connection in all countries and on all networks. So, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. That is it. First step, you're going to open Google Chrome on either your device, Android device, or your PC. And once you open Google Chrome, this is what you're going to do. You're going to come and search for a website called DroidVPN. And then once you search for that website, you're going to come where you see this website. As you see it, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. You're going to tap into it, and then after tapping into it, you're going to come where you see sign up right here. And then once you tap sign up, you're going to put in you're going to sign up by putting in right here your user name. There's any username you want, provided that it is your only username or it is the only username you have. But don't make sure that you don't put in your personal name you use in personal life. Just put in your username. So in this case, we're going to use our username will be marustech440, and then you're going to put in any password you want. I'll pause the video and I'll put in the password, and then I'll repost a tutorial. So after putting in a secret password, make sure that you are the only person who knows that password. You're going to come and put in the email. In this case, I'll use my email address. So this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, certain service providers, terms and conditions, and community guidelines. So after, I'm going to come and tap sign up now, and then you receive this message that sign up successful, and we'll check your email for the activation code. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marustech, and I sign out. Make sure that you check your email, inbox email, or if you don't get that email, make sure that you check into the spam in your email address. We shall meet in the next tutorials. I sign out.